Yeah, we're going to the beach today.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
There's a swim.
Yeah, we're gonna go swim. Yeah, but you can't swim very good, can you, Sebi?
No, because I'll get caught. But I will sink and die.
Okay, yeah, it's true, but don't say that. Look, we're driving to it. I think that's it right there, look. Oh, never mind, that's not it. But it's fine, we're going to the beach, yeah?
It's fine.
Yeah. The beach is really nice because it's really hot outside today.
Tina, you can swim.
Yeah, I can't swim either. I have to have... I can swim, but not very good.
But I can swim like that.
Yeah.
And I can tap my legs.
Yeah. I think we have floaties in the back, don't we? Yeah, we have floaties, don't we?
And then have the one. And you're the one.
Yeah.
And while they're here, they
Okay.
sort all this shit out.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Last time
We're going to make another video when we're at the beach. Bye-bye.